The coefficient of x square in the expansion is 330. Find the value of the constant a. Given is 2 plus x by 2 power 6 plus a plus x power 5. For every binomial theorem sum, we should write the general term, and the general term is NCR x power r y power n minus r. Okay, it's a rule, man. For every binomial theorem, general term should be the step 1. Now, in place of n, what will you take? The power will be n. In place of x, what will you take? Out of the two, whichever has got x in it, that will be x, and the left out one will be y. Clear? Replace it in this now. It is 6CR. R will remain like that only. X power r is, in place of x, it is x by 2 power r. Y is 2. Power n is 6. Now, plus. Same for this as well. Here n is 5, x is x, and y is a. Okay, so write the general term for this bracket as well. So that will be 5CR x power r a power 5 minus r. Now, simplify this. How do I simplify this? See, by applying the power to each. So it will be x power r by 2 power r into 2 power 6 minus r. Next, x should be at the last. So this you will write it to be 6CR. This 2 power 6 minus r I am writing first by 2 power r into x power r. This cannot be simplified further, so we stop here. Here also the same thing, x at last I write. So 5CR a power 5 minus r x power r. So no change, writing the same step. From this, x power r is present in both. So take that common. So that will lead us to 6CR 2 power 6 minus r by 2 power r plus 5CR a power 5 minus r x power r. Okay, now given to us is x power 2 coefficient, and here I got x power r. Given is x power 2 coefficient, and here I got x power r. Equate both the powers to get value of r. So 2 equal to r. So the value of r is 2. So replace that in this. So what do you get? 6C2. 2 power 6 minus 2 is 4 by 2 power 2 plus 5C2 into a power 5 minus 2 is 3 x square. Now see, in this is the coefficient of x square, and he told coefficient of x square is 330. Both are the coefficient of x square only. That will only happen if both are equal. So equate both. So 330 is equal to 6C2. 2 power 4 by 2 power 2 will give us 4 plus 5C2 is 10. So 10a cube. Now 6C2 you get to be 15. So 15 into 4 is 60. Now keep 10a cube this side, send 60 to the other side. So 10a cube is equal to 330 minus 60. So that is 270. Next, divide by 10. So a cube is equal to 27. Shift cube to the other side, it will become cube root. So cube root of 27 is 3, so the value of a is 3. We have found the value of a. Okay.